Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. If you have been importing products or ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to the app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to solve the problem of your message not deliver because your account has been banned on 1688. What do I mean by that? I'm going to show you a proof and I will show you on how we actually fix the problem right here. So if you have something like this, each time you are chatting the supplier, your message was not delivered. This is because your account has been banned on 1688. And I'm going to show you how we fix this particular problem. And at the end of the day, this particular person here was able to continue to chat with the supplier with their same account on 1688. So if this is interesting and what you really need to learn, consider to stay tuned to this video. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, I'm going to use a case study in this particular tutorial. Someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here, and I will show you exactly step by step on how we fix the problem. So this is the person that contacted me from my channel right here. So hello, please, good evening. Please, my account has been banned on 1688 when I try to chatting suppliers right here. Please help me out. I have updated and also deleted and downloaded again. Still, I'm not able to chat suppliers. Although I can access the app, but can't chat supplier. So this is where the problem starts right here. And then I asked this person right here, send me screenshot, let me see the chat box. And this is the screenshot right here. So this is the first screenshot and this is the second screenshot that was sent by this particular person right here. How we actually fix this problem, and this person here continues chat with the supplier. I'm going to narrate everything to you with this power of screenshot right here. And this is where we start the application, and eventually this is all the step by step we are able to follow. You can see from the chart right here. This is all the step by step we are able to follow from here to here and here. So this is the last stage of the submission right here, just like what you see right here. This is the proof that we are submitted to 1688 team, and eventually the account was fully restored back. And I say it will be resolved in 3 days time, and that is the end. Let me know your account status after 3 days. So this is my response to this particular person right here. Okay, please, how will I know it has been restored? Get back to me after 3 days, or just message the seller. It will deliver. Please, okay, thanks so much. So the following day, they contact me back and say, good afternoon, sir. So this is the message they sent to me right here. I just tried sending a message to a supplier and it went through. Thank you for your guidance. God richly bless you. And this is the proof that the message was eventually delivered right here. It's that simple. So what you need to do is to understand the process and step by step you need to follow in order to appeal and get your account back on 1688 and continue to chat with the supplier right here in 1688. So if you still have further questions for me as far as how you can fix the problem of how to actually fix the account ban as a result of messaging supplier on 1688 is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below, or better still, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp for a further assistance step by step on how you can restore back your 1688 at Chinese shopping app back and continue to chat with the supplier on 1688. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Alibaba, or AliExpress, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.